What's up everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be explaining how small cases work and how you can invest in small cases as an asset for investment. Now small cases are nothing but model portfolios or specially crafted or curated portfolios by SEBI registered fund managers and portfolio managers or research analysts or maybe investment advisors, which you can basically get as a basket of stocks. It could be ETFs, it could be a mix of both. And these small case portfolios usually are either thematic, meaning they are based on a certain theme, like maybe defense stocks, maybe water based stocks, maybe fertilizers, chemicals, maybe the consumption habits of Indians. Or it could also be like a tactical portfolio based on a certain strategy. So it could have like a value based buying strategy if you are familiar with value investing, where you usually buy companies which are trading at a relatively fair valuation. It could also be technical in nature, where you can basically have a small case portfolio created for swing or positional trading based on breakouts, based on momentum trading, or based on any other factor. So small case portfolios could be of various types and categories depending on how the fund manager has created that portfolio. And at Stockwiz, being a SEBI registered research analyst, we have also created a lot of small case portfolios based on different styles, different themes, different strategies for all kinds of investors. And in this video, I will help you understand how these small cases work. So the first thing that you need to do is go to stockwiz.smallcase.com. So you can see the URL over here, and this is the landing page. This is where you will basically come up and you will see that it will show you multiple portfolios. So now we have multiple portfolios, multiple different kinds of portfolios that we have created, and these portfolios are called small case portfolios, since small case is the name of the company who's created the platform. Now by the way, small case is one of those companies backed by Zerodha, and Smallcase is one of the largest and probably the pioneers in creating small case or model portfolio category of investing. And there are over 1 million plus users who are actively using small cases to invest in them. So the first thing that you will see is different kinds of small cases. So you can see the Stockwiz Alpha Synergy model. This is a techno fundamental based approach. The minimum investment is 25,000 rupees, and last 1 month returns are about 2%. Now, uh, you will see that every small case portfolio has a minimum investment amount. Now, this minimum investment amount is the amount that the manager or the portfolio creator is recommending you to invest. Now, there is a simple difference between a mutual fund and a small case. Now, a mutual fund is a fund which is created by a mutual fund house, in which you are not directly buying the stocks in your demat account. You are rather buying units of the fund, meaning that if a mutual fund takes in 100 crores of money from people, they are going to invest in their demat account with a custodian. Custodian is basically someone who's protecting this money from the manager stealing it away. And this custodian usually is the holder of these funds. And the value of the portfolio is then divided into multiple smaller units, which is called the net asset value, also known as the NAV. So when you are investing in mutual funds, you are not investing directly in stocks. You are investing in the asset value of the mutual fund, which is the NAV. And this NAV then ultimately gets credited into your demat account. Now, when you buy a mutual fund, you are not allowed to sell part of the mutual fund. Or let's say if the mutual fund has 10 stocks and you want to sell one or two of them, you can't do that. So you have relatively lesser control in mutual funds. And the second thing which differentiates mutual fund from a small case is mutual funds are usually broad based. So they are not based on a strategy, they are not based on a theme, they are usually based on a larger general objective of investing. So in simple words, mutual funds are more accessible, they are more popular, and they are much safer in terms of the risk reward as compared to small cases. And at the same time, mutual funds is a mass market product, meaning it is for anyone and everyone in the markets. But small cases, on the other hand, are very crafted, curated portfolios based on a certain strategy, based on a certain style of investing philosophy, trading philosophy. Small cases have higher risk and higher returns, although there are a lot of small cases which are available at low risk or medium kind of a risk also. And a lot of these small cases will also be with high risk or high volatility, because usually when investors are investing in small cases, they're usually looking for higher or better returns than mutual funds. Another thing that you need to understand is mutual funds usually work on a different model. There are there are multiple kinds of mutual funds, and the fees that usually a mutual fund charges is basically directly proportionate to the amount that you invest, and it's in certain percentage. That's called the management fee of the mutual fund. So usually investors don't really realize them paying funds paying fees to mutual funds or mutual fund managers or maybe mutual fund houses. But usually when you're investing 100 rupees, maybe 50 paisa or maybe 75 paisa is actually deducted, and you are being allotted 99 rupees or 25 paisa worth of assets. But since this money doesn't directly get debited from your bank account but rather directly from your demat account, most people don't really realize that they are paying fees to mutual funds as well. Now, there are direct mutual funds which have very low fees as compared to normal mutual funds, which are also known as regular mutual funds. So you may want to go with direct mutual fund investing for lower fees. But obviously, if you are being guided by an advisor, or if you're being guided by a certain company, an organization, or someone who you trust, you should, in that case, do not go for direct mutual funds. You should go with the mutual fund that is being recommended to you, because it would better suit your needs and objectives. Now, if the small case versus mutual fund understanding is clear, I'll just quickly repeat it. Small cases are much sophisticated assets to, or much more sophisticated portfolio to be investing in. It is curated by a SEBI-registered research analyst, investment advisor, portfolio manager, or any SEBI-registered entity. These are much more strategy focused, much more thematic focused, and much more sophisticated in the way they operate. They will definitely give you much higher returns than normal mutual funds, but obviously they will also have higher risk. So small cases are simply another class of mutual funds, but it is a more sophisticated, a much more newer kind of a product which is suitable for sophisticated investors. And right now it is gaining a lot of popularity, and even first time investors are right now investing in small cases. So now we at Stockwiz have created multiple small cases. So the first one that you see is the Stockwiz Alpha Synergy model. You can see the minimum investment amount. This minimum investment amount means that you have to, at a bare minimum, invest at least this amount, and then you can invest in multiples of it. So for example, if the minimum investment is 25,000, you can invest either 25 or 50, 75, 1 lakh, 1 lakh 25, and so on and so forth. Now, this fees for the small case is a flat based fee, meaning that whether you invest 25,000 or whether you invest 25 lakhs, the fees will stay the same. However, in a mutual fund, usually you are going to be charged based on the assets that you invest in. So you are being charged on a percentage based in a mutual fund, which is far more expensive, and versus in a small case where you're only charged a flat fee versus, and you can invest any amount that you would like. We also have a Stockwiz Swingverse model. Now I'll just quickly explain what are these models. So Stockwiz Alpha Synergy, Stockwiz Swingverse, and Stockwiz Swing Fund model. All of these three portfolios are short-term swing trading portfolios, meaning that we will buy a stock, hold it for 7 or 8 days. As soon as we feel that the profit target is triggered, we will exit the stock and replace it with another stock. Now, there could be 5 stocks in a portfolio, 10 stocks in a portfolio, maybe 15 stocks in a portfolio, depending on the strategy. So the Stockwiz Swingverse model is a momentum trading small case portfolio. Stockwiz Alpha Synergy model is a technicals and a fundamental based approach, and the Stockwiz Swing Fund model is directly a swing trading or a positional trading framework. So you can see that the minimum investment for the Swingverse model is 66,000. The minimum investment for the Swing Fund model is 1,20,000. We also have something called the HNI Wealth Factor model, which is perfectly curated for high net worth individuals. The minimum investment is about 2 lakhs, but you can see that the 1 month return itself is 8.2%. That means it's a much aggressive portfolio and it is perfectly suitable for people who are willing to take in that extra risk. You also have the Stockwiz Strategy Alpha model, which is a quantitative trading system, meaning algorithmic models using artificial intelligence and machine learning define which stocks will come in. And another, small case that we have is the Stockwiz Global Equity Fund model, where we invest not only in Indian stocks, but we also invest in American companies like Nvidia, Tesla, Apple, Google, Amazon, etc. We also invest in gold, silver, and we also invest in government bonds or debt security. So it's like a mixed bag, perfectly suitable for first time investors. And over here also you can see that the minimum investment is very low since it's an ETF based portfolio, and 1 month returns are about 5.8%. Another disclaimer, these returns are based on actual figures, and they do not mean that the small case will continue to perform like this. It may perform better, it may perform a little lower based on market conditions. So these investment returns are not guaranteed. So do understand the risks involved. Now, if you want to subscribe to a small case, what exactly are you supposed to do? So let's assume that you want to subscribe to this particular small case. You're going to click on subscribe now. You're going to enter in your email address. Once your email address is entered, you are basically going to be selecting which kind of a plan do you want to buy. So you can decide 1 month, 3 month, 12 month, whichever plan you feel like. Let's say I'm going for the 12-month plan, and I will apply the coupon code. If a coupon code is available, I will click on continue, and then I will fill up my other details, and those details could be my PAN number. You will put in your phone number, you will put in your date of birth, your state, then you'll click on continue. Then you will connect your broker. Now there are more than 25 to 26 brokers that are available. I have currently selected my broker. You choose from the top 20 brokers in India. When you click on continue, then there will be a terms of service document which will auto populate for you, and you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number and your email address. Now this is basically the KYC procedure that you have to do. So I'm just going to enter my OTP. So once I have done that, I have just give me a moment. Maybe another OTP is being generated for me. So I will just regenerate the OTP and I will put that up over here. Now, once this OTP is going to be sent, and once this OTP I can, retry, this terms of service document is basically, if I click on, the read the document, it'll show me the SEBI registration number, the name of the research analyst, who is going to be managing it, what's the kind of fees, and all the other terms and conditions which are required as per SEBI guidelines. And this is basically just going to be auto signed by you. Now, since I think I can regenerate my OTP, I will try to do that. You will also receive this OTP on your email and on your mobile number. I'm just going to regenerate the OTP just so that I can fill it up for you and showcase that what's the next step. So I'm just going to enter in the OTP. There we go. And I'll click on confirm and continue. This process is done. Now I will use any mode of payment, as per my request. I can do, from cards. I can also do via net banking, and I can also, do it. So I'm just going to add my UPI ID over here, and I am just going to pay. Okay. So I will send the auto pay request. And once I receive this request, I'm just going to approve it. And you can cancel it anytime. You can change your plan depending on your needs or your requirements, and accordingly you can do that. So I'm just going to wait for the payment request to pop up in my system, and once it gets done, I will just process the payment, right? So let's just wait for another moment. Okay, so now I have put in the details. Now I'll have to click on send autopay request. Once I click on that, it is going to send me a request, and now I've got a request now. So I'm just going to go to my payments, and I'm going to set up this thing, and I am now going to pay. So yep, autopay is set, and I have proceeded with that. Now, as soon as this is done, I am now subscribed to the model. Now my, the stocks, the weights, all of that will unlock. I'll click on invest now, and it is probably going to refresh once. And once I do click on invest now, it's going to allow me to enter my account details. And once I do that, so sorry, maybe I put in the wrong details. And once it is done, it is going to connect automatically. And now I will click on invest now. Once I click on invest now, it is going to ask me whether I want to invest one time or an SIP. So I want to do a one time plus an SIP. So I'm just going to click on confirm order type, and then I'm going to be deciding what amount of units do I want, right? So let's say I want to do it 10 times. So my minimum SEO. So my SIP amount and my first investment amount is going to be different. So I'm going to be investing this much, and my SIP amount is, let's say, this much, right? And I'll click on confirm details. It is going to auto populate all the details. I'm going to click on place orders. And once I click on place orders, it is going to show you some screen like this, where it's going to place all of your orders. It's going to tell you when are your SIPs scheduled. And when you click on see orders, you can see all of those orders, whether they're filled, whether they're not filled. And as soon as that's done, you'll go to your dashboard, and then you can basically see all the relevant details, right? So that is basically all that you need to do when it comes to small cases. You can also go and see your funds or maybe other details, your orders, your subscriptions. So when you click on your order and you go over here, you can basically check this out. All those details, you can track performance, right? So all of that can be done right over here. Cool. So that is exactly how you invest in a small case. Now, as I said earlier, you can explore a lot of small cases because we have a variety of small cases with us. You can, discover the swingverse model, the swing fund model, and let's say when you, go to, let's say, the HNI wealth factor model, you can compare the returns, right? And you can see how the stocks have done. Obviously, you will not see the exact weightage, how much it has performed in the last 1 month, and so on and so forth. You can also look at maybe the other models, and you can see how it has done, what exactly is the methodology of this, how are we buying or selling stuff. You can see the fact sheet, right? So all of that stuff is also something that you can see. So that's how easy it is to invest in a small case. It just takes a few minutes, and you're all set, and you can now proceed and start with your investing journey. Now, if you are watching this video, use code Stockwiz to avail discount. You will see a coupon code somewhere flashing in your screen, and this coupon code will give you a 20% discount on all the small cases that we have. And don't worry, whenever you're watching this video, this coupon code will be applicable for a foreseeable future. So anytime you want to invest in small cases, you can definitely go ahead and do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up, drop in your comments, and I will see you in the next one.